We're talking about an accident today that may involve someone being on a cell phone. We hear about this a lot these days. Of course, it's the Law and You. It's the Virtual Law Center, and it's attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Good to see you guys.
This is a great question, especially for teenage drivers, young drivers that are just getting their licenses. So pay attention.
All right, let's get to that question. And Jim in Effort says, my father was walking his dog and he was hit by a driver who admitted to being on his phone. He broke his wrist when he got knocked down. So what can you tell Jim in Effort here about the scenario?
Yeah, so not only can this be reckless behavior in terms of how you're operating a motor vehicle, but it could be reckless behavior. So just think of it this way. You would never drive down the street and close your eyes and drive. That would be reckless. You would have no idea where you're going. You wouldn't be able to see ahead of you. So every time that you're driving and you start texting, you're taking your eyes off the road. That's absolutely the most dangerous possible thing that you could do. And what's going to happen? You're going to hit somebody that you're not going to see, like somebody who's walking a dog. So very, very, very dangerous.
And the funny thing is, these cell phones are an epidemic when people are driving. And what's going to happen is people have been hit, people have been killed, and eventually one of these cases is going to get to a jury, and the jury is going to send a message, and it's going to be a big verdict on the driver for reckless conduct, just like Ed described. It'll be a punitive damage case. You're seeing truck drivers, commercial drivers, kids, everybody is on these phones. Take your phone, throw it in the back, do yourself a favor, because it's going to be, it's just going to end badly for everybody.
And the biggest problem with it is going to be, so punitive damages, if you're on your phone texting and you hurt somebody, punitive damages are not covered by your insurance. So what that means is that anything that is assessed for punitive damages, not compensatory damages, meaning the damages that happen to an individual, punitive damages are meant to punish somebody for their conduct. That is money you're going to have to pull out of your own pocket to pay for this lawsuit. Yep. So that's why this becomes, really, really, really devastating.
All right, and if you were in an accident, you can get help from our legal team here. You can reach out to the guys and, of course, ask your legal questions. And don't forget, Results Matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We'll see you next time, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.